fresh. I gotta pop. And the toilet on pipe again, guys. Imagine. There are those people, guys, in life that just like, or they don't care, or sharp, or what. They just come 2 minutes out with your mood. Those are the type of people you should cut. You are vying with the Mercedes. Mercedes, so it's not not you. If you know C63 what it has, you'll never compare it to the Mercedes. 7.5 way. Hey, what am I reading? Still fresh. Hey, you sell it fresh, dude. I want to take it to service tomorrow. Eventually. Driver the car is. I want to really get out. Cover the car, she'll tune it. Yeah, I'm gonna tune it. Like, not just one. I see a lot of people that tune the car. They don't have it now. You know why? Because that shit fuck ups the engine. I don't know if they didn't know, but I did know that if you can tune your car and all of those things, you're going to fuck up your engine. So, man. Unfortunately, they had to learn, So that is why, guys, you see, sometimes I feel like I don't want to tune my car. It's because of that, you understand? With the knowledge of knowing that tuning a car doesn't actually keep your car to last long, A lot of people did that. Now they're not having their car. A lot. I know a lot of people. So, and those people, when you tell them you want to tune, they'll tell you straight, don't do it. Because they have seen that it's not a good thing. So I'm just giving an advice to a young you trying to buy a 7. Don't put a lot of things. Yeah, try putting it one tune at least. But you all like putting sensors, silencers and downpipes, exhaust, stage 2. You're going to fuck up your car. Call VW, they didn't put it for a reason. When now you're making yourself a VW. You know better than VW now. You're putting things that VW didn't put. Like, I want to put more than, I want mine to sound better than the stock. Mine still sounds stock and still alive. That is the good part about it. Sound stock, still alive. Yours wasn't sounding stock, it's no longer alive. So that is the difference. Yeah, today we made money, guys. As always, making money makes sense. Yo, it's cold, yo. Yeah, like over time, your car might last long, but over time you find it like you've just fucked up your engine, and it's bad, man. It's bad. You see, this 7.5 been there, bro. Like now it's going for a 4A. I could push it in front, and it's going to go with like. It'll go like your feet are do like I'm going to hit it in rocket time, like, cause I can fucking lot of shot. And people like saying, why do I like driving cars like old people? Don't put things like a younger man, bruh. I don't think like young people. That's the problem. If something won't benefit me tomorrow, why should I do it for other people? It sounds nice for me like this. I'm cool. If I wanted the one that sounds the best, I was gonna go for 2019 Golf 7.5 that has those pipes, you understand? Like, but not the pops and packs or whatever. Comes with natural pipes. Stop. But I wanted this one. I had a choice. So yeah, you see, the 7 is still here, going nicely, fresh. Yo, I feel I'm not driver skorokoro, Joe. Do you prefer driving on here in Polokwane? It's also windy. Yeah, it's windy everywhere, yo. Like, it's cold, yo. Kuyabanda, chance. Kuyabanda, fucked up. You'll hear, Joe. Like I said, I want to take this car to service tomorrow, right? The wipers, the way they are making noise, they're gonna say, even wipers have to be changed, and now you have to pay a lot of cash. It's a service. Once you go to service, man, they change everything. They'll go, they change wipers. Ish, I don't have a number plate, dog. Yeah, that is the problem about number 7 now. Number 7, it's not fully because of not having a number plate. Now you got a dark everywhere. But sometimes, guys, I feel like number 7 it's more comfortable than C63 because C63 is big. Like you need to be checking every corner, Joe. Like every time. Like here you just go, bro. Like here you just lie. You don't check no corners. This thing is too small, Joe. Maybe it's because I'm driving a C63. When you see pops, you set up straight. Yeah. You set up straight. You're like, I know they're gonna stop me, and you know, like I'm a fucking pretend. I'll pretend like a nice person, be like, yo, I didn't know, and I knew. You know what I'm saying? Like this thing in faith, like 7 with a number plate, it's not a 7. That's the only thing I'm gonna tune in my car, not putting in a number plate. Ain't gonna put no pipes. You're like, this car is still fresh. You're like, it's like I bought it like yesterday, Joe. Like nothing changed. If you take this car to service, don't put no pipes, no hanging. You're gonna drive this car till you get tired, Joe. Like your kid will come and drive these cars, your grandchildren. Like guys, I once said if they don't put it at VW, I don't want it. They have to put it go VW, Joe. Like if I forgive VW, like you guys know better than VW. VW makes its car sound this way. You guys want it to sound more better than VW's car. Let's go. And the person that you're gonna give, you don't even know if he ever made a car. What you know is that he can change your exhaust to this. No. If you want to buy a car, that make sure that you get the limited editions one, like my C63. That one it makes. It's another one. You might feel like it has pops and bangs and anything, and it's stock. Play Aries. Artlaling Aries, yeah, right, Joyo. To Roma Mela Ninja, no, Kargena musician. Yaga Risinya. You want this one? Just choose, guys. Choose. Which one do you want? Then when they say trading is not real, I don't know which one you're talking about. I don't listen to Calvin no more. I don't know why. Okay, I like his music sometimes, but